Did you know that effective maintenance planning can reduce maintenance costs by up to 50%? Yet most organizations struggle to achieve even 30% wrench time due to poor planning practices. Organizations today face massive inefficiencies in their maintenance operations due to inadequate planning. Work orders pile up, emergency repairs disrupt schedules, and maintenance backlogs grow uncontrollably. Resources are wasted as technicians spend more time searching for parts and information than actually performing maintenance. Maintenance technicians and supervisors experience daily frustration with unclear job scopes, missing materials, and incomplete information. They waste hours gathering tools and parts, dealing with unexpected complications, and reworking poorly planned jobs. This leads to low morale and reduced productivity. This certification program transforms maintenance efficiency through professional planning techniques. Participants learn systematic approaches to job planning, scheduling optimization, and resource allocation that maximize wrench time and minimize delays. Organizations with certified planners report dramatic improvements in maintenance productivity and cost control. Planned maintenance increases to over 80%, emergency work decreases significantly, and backlog becomes manageable. The structured approach ensures resources are used efficiently and effectively. For maintenance professionals, certification opens new career opportunities and increases their value to organizations. They develop expertise in modern planning tools and techniques, becoming key players in maintenance optimization efforts. Teams work more efficiently, with clear plans and well-organized resources. Take control of your maintenance operations. Join successful maintenance professionals who have transformed their planning capabilities through certification. Enroll now to become a certified maintenance planner. Your journey to maintenance excellence begins here.